So today we're going to be taking a look at an introduction to polynomials. There are a lot of vocab terms on the vocab sheet for this unit that you may want to look at before this video. So the first is standard form. Standard form is when you have your polynomial arranged so that the highest power is first and the constant is last. So it will be in descending order. One thing to be careful with is where the negatives are. So I have some students that will rearrange the terms but leave the negatives where they are. Remember, a negative or a subtraction sign is the same thing as adding the opposite or adding a negative. So make sure those subtraction signs or those negative signs stay with the term that they're connected to. So the highest power is x to the fourth with a negative in front. So that'll be what goes first. Then we've got a positive 8x cubed, negative 3x squared, positive 7x, positive 1. So that is in standard form. State the degree. The degree is the highest power. So we have a degree of 4. And the leading coefficient. Remember, a coefficient is a number that you multiply by a variable. The leading coefficient is the first coefficient when it's written in standard form, or it's the coefficient of the term with the highest power. Combining polynomials, I am sure that you are very familiar with adding and subtracting polynomials, so I'll try and go over this relatively quickly. Combine your like terms and write your answer in standard form. So always look for the terms with the highest power first. So on A, we've got 4x cubed plus 6x cubed. Negative 7x squared doesn't have any like terms. X plus 5x plus 1. Now with subtracting, you want to distribute the negative sign. I get lots of students that will subtract the first term and then they'll add any other terms after that. So just physically change all of those signs so that you can add. Adding is easier than subtracting. So we've got 7x cubed plus negative 10x cubed, 3x squared plus 2x squared, negative 4x with no like terms, and then the plus 4. Again, on this one, distribute the negative sign. And what you're going to want to do on this is actually, you can distribute the one on the outside first, just to there. Don't distribute that one on the outside all the way through. And now we're adding. So we've got 6x minus 8x plus 10x plus 3x. So there's a lot of x's to combine. So we've got 19x minus 8x is 11x.